Hello everyone and welcome back to Motors&Me. Man, it's hot today. So, in my last video, I replaced the side indicator lights on my Mark IV Mondeo, and they look super awesome. At the end of the video, I also said that I have ordered a pair of new headlights with LED elements, and they have arrived. So, let's replace them. Okay, so here's the box. I have opened it to take a short peek, but I haven't taken the headlights out yet. Now, let's do that. This is big. A lot of packing material. Oh, yes, yes, yes. They look awesome. Nice. So, this lens right here is, I believe, for high and low beams. This is the side indicator, and this right here is the parking light. And also, I believe it is a turn signal, meaning that it should turn orange and blink once I turn the turn signal on. Oh man, these look awesome. Oh, I can't wait to see them on my car. Okay, now there is actually a reason why I want to replace the old headlights. Well, there are two reasons, in fact. One is that here on this left headlight, the chrome coloring inside is giving away to moisture, and when condensation forms, water along with the chrome coloring is flowing out from somewhere here and then down the bumper, and it leaves an ugly white mark. Here you can see that right there. And you know, it's kind of annoying that when I wash the car the next morning I will have a white line going down the bumper. So yeah, that's one. The other reason is that if you've been tagging along the channel since the beginning, you might remember that my headlights had a yellow discoloring around here. I had the headlights polished and it went away. That was somewhere around 2 years ago, but now it's starting to come out. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but there and there. So, yeah. But anyways, let's get the old ones out and insert the new ones. And so the headlights are held in by two bolts, one here and one down there. And when we remove those, we should be able to wiggle the headlight out. Now, let's give it a shot. Okay, that's one. And that's two. Don't want to drop it. Okay. Okay. There we go. There we go. Then we should disconnect the power. Oh man, the past hour I was just trying to remove this little piece of S. I removed the clip, but it was still sticking like crazy. God! But it's finally out. Alright, now let's get rid of this and get the new headlights. It's gonna look good. Let me just connect it first and see how it works. Wow! Oh my god, they're awesome! Oh my god, these LEDs. Wow, they look cool. Let me turn on the hazards. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. That's so nice. Alright, now let's pull this off and put him in. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Wow. They look so good. Alright, now let's put these in somehow. Like so. Awesome. That was easy. Yes. Oh, wrong size. And that's that. Now I want to see how it looks side by side. Wow, they look badass. I'm telling you. Jeez, I'm loving them. Now, okay, let's replace that side as well. Okay, there we go. Almost. Yes. Ah, here we go again. Oh! Alright. Ah, yes. This has been replaced, I think. Looks way too new. Oh well. Okay. Does it work? Let's find out. Oh, yes it does. Awesome. All right. This is the best part. Oh, nice, 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 nice. There we go. And that's it. Oh yes, this is such a difference. Ho ho! Along with the side indicators. Wow! I'm loving it, seriously. Ho ho ho! Here we are, folks, both headlights installed. I love how they give the car a nice, mean look. And what would be even more awesome if this C-shape would be a daytime running light. Oh man, that would be so badass. But that has potential. Who knows, maybe one day. Alright, that is going to be it for today. In the comment section below, let me know what you think of these headlights. Do you like them? Or maybe not? And would you have them installed in your Ford? In any case, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will be seeing you next time. Bye bye.